Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, at Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is what we are talking about. We are talking about looking at the situation from an objective point of view. Now, Spragga Benz, viewers and subscribers, is an artist where we just say him and the teacher are the best of friends. He was an artist where flip up and the teacher for remind him say, you're my DJ from before CD, the pan wax, and I may want you props. But at the same time, Spragga can look upon the situation for what it is, and he makes some interesting points, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. Listen to what Spragga Benz had to say, and then we go continue the reasoning. So you know more than look, listen.
Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all the things with technology. Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never. Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all the things with technology. Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all the things with technology. Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all the things with technology. Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all the things with technology. Things we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all the things with.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, and as we are point out, objective point of view. Spragga Benz look upon it from the point of view of the evidence. Him not just say this because him and the teacher are friends. Him look upon it as it is. Nobody, no weapon. And him point out this, the phone evidence, the voicemails. Him say, yo, audio splicing is nothing new. Him say he's an artist and him spend all of time at the studio. And splicing audio is very easy to do. And that is the truth, viewers and subscribers. What them use in the trial initially should have never been admitted in open court. That's just the fact of the situation, viewers and subscribers. That's a big blunder upon the judge's part. Him should have never allowed the prosecution to present that. Him should have never allowed that, viewers and subscribers. That's why we say, obviously, that verdict that was handed out in the trial was to appease certain special classes of society, viewers and subscribers. The people who don't like the teacher for certain songs when put out, which is just entertainment. That is why, and I continue to say this, Vybz Kartel had a trial date, not Adidja Palmer, because they not look on the individual. People already had their minds made up, viewers and subscribers, based upon songs or their perception of the artist, not the individual. And if they not look on the individual and the situation presented before them, they realize that one, there was no weapon, no body. It was merely speculation. And then the voice audio, even in the appeal, what was presented, that the audio was tampered with and should have not been presented. Other than that, what them had, the crown witness, who give two different statements. Viewers and subscribers, I don't feel like, yo, this should have been one of them cases that get thrown out of court. And then know the sentence that was handed out, excessive, heavy sentence, not needed. It was to appease a certain set, or what they call the ruling class. Now, viewers and subscribers, things have changed. Dancehall music is at that point, they're at a crossroads, and we as a people too are at the point where we notice, say, yo, first and foremost, this can't tell anybody. Things need to be changed. There needs to be a change. When we look upon the lengthy wait upon an appeal, we have to wait that so long you have to wait for what them call due process. So is this the lengthy time we have to wait for what they call due process, viewers and subscribers? Look like joking at them something. Well, don't joke, you know, with things, viewers and subscribers, guys. I think it's supposed to serious. Like a judge. But the judge like joking for them something, viewers and subscribers. We are way too long. But as I said, it has been long speculated that the results of the appeal, yeah, the win, I feel like one of the party them want to use it to their advantage. You know what I mean? And it will only be the one in power. Because the one who's in opposition now have the power or the sway over the courts they can do this. So it will only have to be the one in power. So it's clear, say, for some reason, maybe for seek a re-election of some sort, they're going to present that at the same time while, you know, other news are being presented, and, you know what I mean, it will look like big news from, you know what I mean, the government at the same time. So maybe, definitely food for thought. Other than that, there's no other speculations out there about why we have to wait so long. Where them a hold on for good news for? Where them a hold on for good news for, viewers and subscribers? Look at the artists. The hashtag FWB. You get me, my J? A free world boss at the sentiment worldwide. Worldwide. The documentary I got highlight a whole heap of things will take place in our country. That is why I know, say, even 50 Cent right now of a movie come out about the whole process way. You know what I mean? Something very similar to Vybz Kartel and his situation. Only difference is that the person in the situation represent themselves. But here people also talk about bringing the case to a higher court. It shouldn't have reached that point. Because of the fact that a whole documentary is being made about the situation will take place. The ball is now in the court of the court. You know what I mean? To make the right decision, for right the wrongs them with them do. And that is what the appeal process is for. So these three judges already know the task presented to them. They know what is expected of them. So no doubt them already say, yeah, free the teacher. They must have hold on the boss good news. And that's why the boss still in high spirits. Still a wallet. Still a whole a vibe. Still a whole a energy. Track still a drop. We still a run. The whole dance hall. Gaza Nation celebration moment. Song trending #1 currently. Other artists not trend recently. Them don't know what it is like to trend no more. Some people wonder if them even retire from the music. We one of them say them a Jay-Z. I don't know, maybe because Jay-Z they retire at one point in time. So maybe he must say retire now and then go forward out of retirement, and maybe that's why I compare himself to Jay-Z. I don't know. But viewers and subscribers, trending right now, Tony Montana, the biggest track, some would have said the biggest single released in a dancehall music if for the 2020. Because I remember the teacher dropped that biggest album already for the 2020. You know what I mean? And more in store. So when we say single released, the biggest single just drop. Celebration a big track too. You know what I mean? Don't get reasoning twisted. Big track drop. Money Machine are forward soon. You know what I mean? Dark Ages are forward out soon. And Vybz Kartel himself, viewers and subscribers, are forward soon and very soon. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about points made by Spragga Benz himself. And as I said, remember, Spragga is not somebody who can say you're just a say this because him and Vybz Kartel are friends. He might look upon it from an objective point of view. You know what I mean? And that is good. And even with that objective point of view, since the him and the teacher, you know what I mean, as I'm saying, the best of friends, him still say, yo, the teacher should be freed. Should have never been convicted in the first place, but them have the opportunity now to free the teacher and right the wrongs that were done. So talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you agree with. If you don't agree, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know why. We can continue reasoning from the comment section. So talk to me. But we know dancehall music right now, local stakeholders, international stakeholders, just people who are concerned overall, well-wishers. Everybody at this moment in time, viewers and subscribers, is discussing this particular situation. It's not surprising. It is not surprising at all. For no say even Spragga Benz. God don't you see him say this right now. That's something we discussed. There's something being discussed by every, as I say, all stakeholders, well-wishers, and people who know of the island, know of Vybz Kartel and this situation. Them know say the biggest artist that we have currently in our dancehall genre. Them have him behind the wheel. Joke in the something. Joke in them something. They need to release the boss right now, viewers and subscribers. Vybz are the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when I like the reason and of course when I like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon did it too as well. So if I'm a like or your ear, drop a like on the blog. The share icon did it too as well. So tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the reasoning. Yes, viewers and subscribers, join the discussion and be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. You will know the something go. Up move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and I wanna prosper until we reason again.